We believe that AI can make humans even more human. And that's the beauty of that revolution if we do the right things.
Tonight we welcome Denis Machuel, the CEO of the Adecco Group, to speak to us about the human edge, leadership in the age of AI and transformation.
Today's lecture symbolizes the shared mission of the Center and the University of Zurich to ensure that besides technological advances, human qualities will stay at the center and the heart of education.
The competencies in the workplace have changed. The future with AI is foreseeable, and the role of humans is a very important one.
Leadership in the times of an incredible AI revolution that goes at a speed that we haven't seen before. How do we, as leaders, embark into that journey and making sure that we do not leave people behind?
We are living in the most defining, disruptive and transformative technology of our times. And now more than ever, we need purpose-driven leadership that can truly amplify human potential by leveraging AI and not replace it.
It's all about making sure that people are upskilled, reskilled, that we bring people along on the journey. This is the critical aspect.
We have to set our priorities, what is the aim of our company, and therefore we have to train and we have to educate and we have to talk openly with our people to go into this direction with AI.
In times of disruption, it's really important to A, have humor on the way, and to B, really be centered at the core of humanity.
Reskill. Never take anything for granted. Education is not a one-off. It's something that we have to keep invest on.
Denny had a superhuman-centric view of how AI should be applied and also leadership in general.
Being able to and brave enough to say, sorry, I don't know, is for me really truly a leader.
But at the same time, I'm also wondering whether AI actually might be able to replace certain leadership qualities even better.
What's most important is start really engaging with it right now, this moment.
The lecture tonight has inspired each and every one of us to think about the future of work and to find our own way to prepare for it and use our voice to take part in shaping it.